Hi again, it's Pedro here from Wellmaster Carts, and I just wanted to do a little demonstration here on basically a hook-in style cart, how it comes apart. So right now the bases would be stackable. If you had more, you could set them up 12, 14 high, or if you just have a couple of them, you can just put the shelves right back on top of the base then. So a base like this, or a full cart, where it breaks down, where we were at the start 81 inches tall, and we're basically down to 10 inches overall height here now, where it helps for storage and that for the off season.